Hello everyone, how are you? I am Dionne with Short and Sweet Languages, and I teach conversational Spanish to families who love people, culture, and travel. And so I had been off for a few months. We took all summer off with the family and we traveled and we did all the summer things. And now we're back, and I actually took a little bit of the fall as we got into gear with all the homeschooling things. But I am back to teach you and your family Spanish, and we are starting with this phrase, I like and I don't like. And because I am working on a Spanish course, which I will tell you about, geared towards families, towards the parent and the kids, these phrases are included in there right after the basic units, which teach colors and numbers, and it all goes in order. And so I figured I will apply these phrases and review those colors, and maybe I'll incorporate numbers too. But so how do you say I like this? Me gusta esto. That is, I like this. Me gusta esto. I like this. Now how would you say I like the yellow bear? You see my little yellow bear? Me gusta el osito amarillo. Me gusta el osito amarillo. Me gusta. I like. Me gusta. How do you say I don't like? No me gusta. No me gusta. You repeat. No me gusta. Right, so let's say I don't like the green bear. No me gusta el osito verde. No me gusta el osito verde. No me gusta. So, osito, the reason we say osito instead of oso, bear is oso. O-S-O, oso. Is because in Spanish we do a lot of diminutive application, and so everything is a little thing. Give me the little bear. I mean, this actually is a little bear, but we'll say, give me the little spoon, give me the little this. Everything ends in ito and ita, and it makes it little. It's a diminutive. And so osito, little bear. Osito, osito verde. Osito rojo. This is not a color lesson, but I am going to apply the phrases several times. So, me gusta el osito amarillo. No me gusta el osito azul. Me gusta el osito rojo. Y no me gusta el osito verde. So, there you have it. I like is me gusta. I don't like no me gusta. So practice those phrases, and this is included in a more extended form in the course that I am writing. So just keep your eye out for that. I am still writing it and working on that too. So anyway, practice your phrases, and I will be back next week with another phrase now that we are back, and I'm so glad to be back. Thanks. See you next week. Bye.